Today I will give you a brief idea about trademark registration. So, what is a trademark registration? Basically, you must be aware that lot of us when we start our new company, we give it a name. The name gets a significance and importance in the market. It builds our reputation. Mostly the name is also along with a logo. So now how to protect this? You know, once our name and our logo is famous in the market, anyone can come and copy that or misuse that. So the best and available means of protecting our trademark, our logo is through registration of the trademark or the logo in the government of India. In Mumbai, there is trademark registry, and this trademark registry is also in other places, in other cities. So how to register the trademark? For registration of the trademark, there are few simple things which one should take care of. There are 45 classifications given by government of India for registration of trademark. In these classifications, 34 classifications are related to trading, and from 35 to 45, that is the 11 classifications, are related to service industry. So first you need to check out that you come under which class. For example, if you are a pharmaceutical manufacturing company, you come under class 5. If you are into manufacture of t-shirts, ready-made garments, apparels, then you come under class 25. If you are HR company, that is the service provider, then you come under class 35. If you are into legal consulting, you come under class 45. If you are into entertainment industry or education industry, then you come under class 41. So you can see the classes which I have given in the below the video. I have given all the list of classes available. You can check out in which class you come. Once the classes are checked, you have checked the classes which are in which you come, you can just put the name, your name, which you propose to register, and the class number, and have a basic search on the Government of India website. I have also given the link of the Government of India website where you can do the public search below. So once your search is completed, you see that your name is available, okay, then you need to go to the next step. In case you get any difficulty in searching your trademark, you can give me a call or WhatsApp me. My number is given below the screen. So once you are satisfied that your trademark is available, then you need to proceed for registration of the trademark. For the registration of trademark, a form known as TM1 is required to be filled. In this form, we need to put up the basic details, that is the what industry you are into, what are your goods or services, what is the name of the applicant and address of the applicant, and from which date you are using that trademark. If you have not started to use the trademark, then you can write proposed to be used. Now in trademarks, again, trademarks can be of very different types. For example, you can see the sheet. In this sheet, you can see that this is one trademark known as Veloba. This trademark is called a word mark in technical language. A word mark, just a word. It doesn't have any specific thing. Now if you see this trademark is Akram's Good Mood Food. This trademark technically will be known as device of apple or device of fruit, because it contains a photo of apple. Now this trademark here, Sycon Factory, contains device of book. Now let's take an example for the trademark of Veloba. If we apply just the trademark of Veloba, then yes, Veloba will be protected. The name will be protected. But some of your competitor can do some mischief by changing some spellings and putting a logo besides this, and getting it registered. So in the best interest, what you can do is to safeguard your trademark is to make two applications. For example, Veloba as a word mark, and then let's assume instead here it is written Veloba on the book. So your name and your logo go in two applications. It will be better to protect your name in that manner. So now in this trademark is known as in this trademark you can see Gola Wala. So here it is a device of a man. You can see this man. Here it is desire, and this is of some burger outlet. Here it is device of bread sandwich. So you need to then identify what is your logo. It contains a device or it's a word mark. If you are having device mark, then it is important that you register your word mark also. For registration of the trademark, a drafted form TM1 needs to be filed in. What details you need to fill in form TM1, I am giving it below. You can check out the details of which needs to be filed in TM1. It is better if you take professional advice in registration of your trademark, and so that it's a one-time matter. Trademarks, the government fees which is required in trademark registration is 4,000 rupees at present today. Other than that, very minimal professional fees is required. Very less professional fees anyone will charge you for getting the trademark registration. I am a registered trademark attorney and I have done more than 5,000 trademark registrations. My contact number is given below. You can call me or WhatsApp me to get the best deals on trademark registration. And now for more details about trademarks, that after registration of the trademark, what is the procedure, I have made another video. I am sharing the link of that video here. You can have a look what happens after registration of trademark. Thank you.